Government issued care
so
package.
get that bag here to give somebody. And it's a government issued care package. So here it is, 1.6 kilogram rice, 3 turbo, see it there people, 2 water crackers, people them get them oats too, Quaker oats, and get a tin of milk, yes, see it there, corned beef, and get that too, cornmeal, yes, cornmeal, 2 sardines, wow, and this is 4 tin mackerel. I'm also seeing 2 baked beans. So the cooking oil, yes, 2 tissues. See 2 tissues there people, and the 1 soap. Mac and cheese, yes, mac and cheese there. I'm also seeing sugar and flour. So people, I'm asking a question. Look at all of this. And when people come on the media and them say, boy, them not get nothing in a package, a foolishness. This look like foolishness to you? Many of the people who I get these packages, I can guarantee you, say, them not even I buy so much things. So now give credit where credit is due. Stop being ungrateful.